Hello. Today I want to show how Fixative can allow you to develop dense, rich blacks with charcoal. The wood used for our charcoal is willow, which is precisely baked to produce an even line of consistent intensity. It comes in a variety of thicknesses. Here you see thick, medium, and thin charcoals. Choose which one you want to use based on the marks you want to achieve. Now I'm going to show you how you can increase the density of your charcoal using layers of spray fixative. To demonstrate this, I will mask an area and put down a layer of charcoal, which I will spray in order to fix the charcoal on the paper. Now I'm going to add another layer of charcoal. I'll mask half the area with a flap of paper and spray fix again. Once dry, I'll add another layer of charcoal and rub away any unfixed charcoal. Remask with the flap and spray again. I'm going to repeat this process of layering charcoal, masking, rubbing, and spraying to show you how Fixative allows you to build up layers of density. This method demonstrates not only the importance of preserving your work, but also how fixing lets you create a range of density with your charcoal. Look how well the fixative works, but also how easily I can remove the charcoal from the unfixed side. I hope you enjoyed this masterclass as much as I have.